Have you ever wondered why we can remember some moments for years, but forget where we put our keys just 5 minutes ago? Like, why can your brain remember your first heartbreak, but not what you had for lunch last Tuesday? That's not just bad memory, that's how your brain is designed to work. Today, let's dive into the fascinating science behind why we remember and why we forget. Memory isn't like a hard drive that stores perfect copies of everything. It's more like a biological network made of neurons, tiny brain cells that communicate through electrical and chemical signals. When you experience something, let's say you meet a new person, your brain activates a pattern of neurons. If that connection repeats often enough, the brain strengthens those pathways. That process is called synaptic plasticity. It's how memories are encoded and stored. In simple terms, neurons that fire together wire together. Not all memories are created equal. Your brain decides what's important based on emotion and attention. When something makes you happy, scared, or surprised, your brain releases dopamine and adrenaline, which tell the hippocampus, the brain's memory manager, hey, this is important. Keep this one. That's why emotional or life-changing events stick so strongly in your mind. Meanwhile, neutral or boring moments, the brain just lets them fade away to save space and energy. So, why do we forget? Well, forgetting isn't always a bad thing. In fact, it's your brain's way of staying efficient. There are three main reasons we forget. 1. Decay. Over time, unused neural connections weaken, just like muscles you never train. 2. Interference. New information sometimes overlaps with old ones, causing confusion, like when you learn a new password and suddenly can't remember the old one. 3. Retrieval failure. The memory is still there, but you can't access it, like searching for a file on your computer with the wrong keyword. Sometimes, when you suddenly remember something out of nowhere, that's your brain finally finding that lost file. Scientists used to think forgetting was a failure of the brain, but now studies suggest the opposite. Forgetting might actually help us think better. By clearing out unnecessary details, your brain can focus on what really matters and adapt to new situations. It's like cleaning your desk. You throw away the junk so you can actually work. So the next time you forget something, don't be too hard on yourself. Your brain isn't broken, it's just doing what it's evolved to do for millions of years. Remember what's meaningful and forget what's not. Because in the end, memory isn't about keeping everything, it's about keeping what defines who we are. The power of memory is not in remembering everything, but in remembering the right things.